This shit already active, god damn. Oh my god! Time to go already? No, are you serious, bro? No. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Redline J. Welcome back to another vlog, man. We are outside as always, man. We are at another car meet. Kind of packed right now. It just started, so we just pulling up, bro. Trying to find where everybody else at. I got to meet up with everybody else, but make sure y'all stay tuned to the vid. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. So every time I drop, y'all get that notification, man. But we outside for sure.
Yeah, put that noti bell on right now.
Put that noti bell on right now.
Put that noti bell on right now.
Right now, man. My boy Aiden pulled up. My boy Day. Yes, sir. That boy Brax in the cut, man. Yo, what's good? Hey, man. Yo, we outside, man. We outside for sure.
Glad I bought a sweater.
Nah, for real. Now, this is cold as frick, but this shit already active. God damn. Outside vlogging this shit, my boy Jay. Yes, sir.
You already know. ChinaParkClothing.com.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We lit. For real, it's job coded as heck, boy.
I was cold, so I put this damn sweater on.
Nah, for real, bro.
Doing those damn starlights in that damn rain.
Oh, yeah.
Cold as fuck.
Oh, no.
And we was in Bel Air, too. Cold as fuck.
Yeah.
Gift
His jump is crazy, bro. M4 jump. It's an M4, yeah. I thought it was an F8. Straight beamers, yeah. A whole bag.
Give me like
I got a whole bag in the car.
I'm gonna be lit by the end of the night.
Hey, bro, we outside though. We outside.
Oh God. Oh God.
Oh God. Nah, that's pretty decent. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, it's nice.
Nigga said I can't even hate.
Yeah, no, it's not. It's nice. Word.
I came over here to do.
That don't look solid, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, you're vlogging.
Of course, bro. I'm always vlogging, bro. Outside though, for real though. You hear me?
Oh God, we outside.
We on God.
Oh God, we outside.
Oh God. Oh God. Damn, straight bad jumps. Hey, nigga. Watch this, bro. That jump crazy. Straight turbo. Oh yeah, bro. Give me like a couple years, I'm about to get this jump. That jump sound crazy. Hey, you got read that jump, bro. Let me hear something, bro. Let me hear something, bro. Read that jump, bro. Yeah, he got, you know what I'm saying? Oh my God! Oh my God! That jump sound crazy. You know, he don't want that. This shit gotta be fucking. What? No, that joke's serious. It's serious. Oh God. Oh yeah, he good. Yeah.
He runs from the police.
Yeah, nah, for sure. Stop him. He not stopping.
That nigga ain't stopping for a damn thing.
Not at all.
Oh God.
Not at all. Nah, he's
It's not even down there. Oh God, he only got brakes.
yeah, he just gotta pray every time he get in the wheel.
That nigga just cruise.
He just gotta pray.
That nigga stop. That shit sounds like.
Super jump. They outside crazy.
Oh God, they outside.
They outside crazy, nigga. I ain't gonna lie.
Somebody girlfriend not coming home.
Are you dead? Are you that serious, bro? No shot. Hey, bro, we not doing nothing, bro. We not doing nothing. We not doing nothing, bro. We just innocent bystanders, bro. Bro. Yeah, he's straight. He a black fella.
He just patrolling. No hoes.
Who, nigga? You been with the same for the last 3 years.
You want to see my?
He was sipping over a too.
Watch this.
He
Watch
was
this.
right, he was on some-
Hold on, wait.
You should have saw his story, nigga. He was on straight sad nigga shit.
You want to see something? No, that's too much for the camera.
I'm not trying to see.
I ain't gonna put that on there.
He said that's too much.
You understand me?
Word, you hear me?
You understand me? I get bitches. And I get more bitch than this little ass nigga too.
How much you want back, bro?
Dead homies, nigga.
I can go to the DMs right now. We can pull
I
out
can
a
go
vote.
through
We
the
can go-
numbers.
Nigga, we can go
I can
body
go through
for
the
body,
number.
bro.
You can't go body for body.
can.
My ugly wouldn't spin in your direction.
Oh my god, bro.
You understand?
What the?
I'm straight chilling, no matter what I'm doing, bro.
I'm chilling for real. At the same time, somebody's girl coming home.
That's the mentality I need from
Nice, right?
Somebody
Hey, but look, guess what?
I'm gonna be chilling doing that.
Oh God. Because somebody about to be under the stars.
Somebody is about to be word. I'm telling you, we always chilling. Listen to that. We stay chilling. Big chilling. Never step down. Always stay up. You feel me? You hear me?
Oh God.
Word from Quan to Redline J. I'm just chilling. That's all it is, bro. I don't know what this vlog turned into, but this yo, word.
It's about to turn into X and XX.
Time to go already? No, are you serious, bro? No. No, bro, this joke just started. I just got here.
God, it just started. We ain't leaving yet.
I'm not going nowhere. They can't kick all of us out though. There's too many niggas, right? They can't kick all of us out, bro. We're not leaving, bro. We're not about to push nobody out, bro. Oh God, we're not leaving, bro. We're not leaving, bro. What? What he say? You hear that nigga? No, he said get the f out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Get the f out of here. Yeah, the cop said that shit.
If they come out here, they're gonna press y'all out. So you know what I know. Go ahead and get up out of this.
It look like we finna wait, my nigga.
Fuck. He said stay catch you gotta get the f out of here.
You heard no fan do that shit on your mouth. That nigga said y'all gotta get the
That nigga said y'all gotta get the f out of here.
State troopers about to come. Y'all better get the
Y'all niggas better get the
state troopers. They know they don't got no power. That's why they said that shit. They was like, state about to come.
Niggas-
Shit gonna get real. The real niggas gonna come. Y'all better leave.
Nigga try to give a warning, right?
You better get out of here.
Nigga, hey, look, hey, I just want y'all to know. When these other niggas come, hey, it's
These niggas
y'all.
basically deputies
Y'all
right
gotta
now.
get the y'all gotta get the f out of here.
Stop rapping that bullshit. Get up out of here.
Nah, get on, bro. What the fuck? That nigga shit. Yo, he's shit. That nigga just oh my God. Bro, are you serious, bro? Yo, you gotta be shitting me, bro. You gotta be shitting me. Yo, what the? Come on, gang. Oh my God, bro. What the frick? What is happening? Bro, they about to, what the? Bro, what is going on, bro?
2 minutes. You got any traffic infractions, you will be able to get back.
2 minutes?
You said you
We got 2 minutes.
2 minutes before we leave, or they about to start arresting.
Hold on, hey, where we meeting up at? Where we meeting up at? We gotta have plan.
Actually, yeah.
Yeah. Where we meeting up?
niggas trying to back out.
What's the move?
Yeah, wait, what's the move, yo?
FaceTime right now.
Nah, for real.
Y'all better start a group there.
Fuck out
FaceTime.
of here, nigga.
Hey, look, all right, y'all, that's gonna wrap up for today's video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that
Ain't
notification
that
bell.
bullshit,
So every time I show, I get that
After
notification.
that, bro, y'all better subscribe.
Yeah, y'all better subscribe. This shit's about to go viral. Nah, for real.
Stop freedom.
Hey, look, man, make sure y'all stay safe. Keep God in your life, man.
Tatted on my car, shit tatted on me, tatted on me. No, I keep that ratchet on me, ratchet on me. Moving like Serena will, the racks is on me.